Hi guys! Do you like vintage electronic stuff? Here we have a vintage telephone conference system. This is the controller and it is really old. It was built for the German market. Look at this. Oh, large remote control. Luckily I have the service manual, but no user manual. This device has built-in video switches, audio switches and superimpose circuit and Raum, room, focus. I don't know the English term. Maybe it's focus. Just kidding. Fernbedienungsgeber. So this is the remote control. And here's a block diagram. Some sort of. It can do anything. Wow. This is a rather fast internet or telephone line. This is the rear side. A whole bunch of BNC connectors. And some remote control serial something terminal input output control connectors. And of course proper audio connectors, XLR type. So we will take this unit apart, and I believe this will be a lot of fun. Let's do it. Woo! Beauty! Already love it right now. Tam radio transformer, Japan. Wow. Woohoo! Great. A lot of standard TTL. Backup battery. Crystal oscillator. This is a RAM. Beauty. I'm loving it. DC input filtering. Gold-plated contacts. Please press the pause button if you want to see all details. I will show you some more of these block diagrams. Yeah, this has to be a video board, I guess. What the hell? Why? Made in Japan, of course. Relays. High quality toggle switch. No, this is audio. Yes, this is audio. A lot of op-amps. Bypass, filtering, amplification. Woohoo! Have a look at this ceramic package. NEC D7220AD. Analog digital converter, I guess. And it is beautiful. Wow. And another one. I'm loving it. Isn't it beautiful? Great. It's a graphic display controller. And here it is. Woo! That's fun. Almost the complete board is unpopulated. Half of the board. Wow. Oh my goodness. When you're looking at the date codes, all of these integrated circuits are dated from around 1989. And here is a delay line. I like what I see. Wow. Now that's a power supply. Beautiful. What? Are you kidding me? Why? Whoa. At least I can't see any signs of heat. The PCB is still fine, but I don't get it. Why? Unfortunately, the only mention of the power supply is here as the AC board. That's too bad. I love the exploded view. Great. We will come back to the power supply later. So, I was wondering how to get it off, but there we go. Beautiful. So, this is the input and output connection board. Seems like there is or was a unit with even more connectors. Modem, remote control, user data, and power cont. And XLR type connectors by ITT Canon. It's fun to scrap it for the gold contacts, but again and again it doesn't pay. It's just for fun, really. Look at all the mess. How to get rid of it. Here are the power supplies. And what do you think? I would say these are beautiful. Look at the heat sinks. Maybe they are a bit outdated, but they are still fine. Like a brick. So, what do you think? Should I open it up? I would say, yeah, let's have a look inside. Okay, some isolation. Well done. Wow. It is beautiful. Copper heatsink here. Some coils. High quality capacitors everywhere. Nippon Chemicon. Excellent. Just excellent. Wow. SONY coils. That's interesting. High quality caps. Wow. I like the design with the passive cooling. Wow. Great. It is beautiful, really. I love this stuff. Here we have the primary side and the secondary side. No, this is no botch wire. It just shows the line between primary and secondary. I find this very attractive. Really, what do you think? Please leave it in the comments. So we'll open up the second one, but I guess they are pretty much the same. No, it is somehow different, but mainly they are kind of same. And I love it. Beautiful. Wow, great. Here is this weird PCB we have seen before with lots of ceramic resistors, and apparently they are all wired in parallel to the power supply. Maybe the switch mode power supplies are unstable with no load, so they thought it is a good idea to put these resistors in parallel. Of course, this is stupid. No one would do this today, I guess. And here is this filter board. We have the input through this Molex type connector, a filter, and the output, the AC mains output to the switch mode power supplies, and we have one more wire to this power supply, just a regular 10 radio EI transformer, very conventional, bridge rectifier, Nippon Chemicon loading cap, regulator, NEC, and the regulator circuitry. I like it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. I would be very happy if you could put a thumbs up. This would help me a lot. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye. It's amazing.